After 3 bouts, now we will head to the co-main event in the lightweight division between Romer Pinili of Kibers Boxing Stable and Angas ng Tondo, Eduardo Mansito ng Arcillas Boxing Stable. This is the co-main event.
Ladies and gentlemen, bugbugan sa abra, tampatan ng kampiyon, sumunod main event of the evening. Presented to you by Solid North Promotions, promoter Mayor Ben Eduardo Octavio Abra, in cooperation with the Solid North Partners, headed by Congresswoman Jean Burns. Ladies and gentlemen, this bout is scheduled for 8 rounds in the lightweight division. Judges for this contest, Alpi Jacozo, Antonio Combia, and Hugh Cole. Your referee in charge of the action inside the ring, Oliver Garcia. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing black with blue and weighing 134 pounds, is the former WBO Asia Pacific Super Bantamweight champion from Arcillas Highland Boxing Team of Del Pan, Tondo, Manila. Ladies and gentlemen, Eduardo Mansito. And the supported across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing blue with red trim and weighing 137 pounds, with a professional records of 8 wins, 7 wins, coming by way of knockout with 4 losses. From Kibos Boxing Gym of Bacoor, Cavite, ladies and gentlemen, Romero, the chosen one,
Battle of lightweight between Romer Pinili and Eduardo Mansito. It's the veteran experience against the youth. Veterano na itong sa Eduardo Mansito, samantalang si Romer Pinili ay may record na 8 wins and 4 losses. We are about to start. This is the co-feature bout of the night here at Bugbugan sa Abra. Oh, great left hand to start from Romer Pinili. This will be an explosive fight. Eduardo Mansito trying to establish his jab. Straight right onto the body by Mansito. Jab downstairs mula naman dito kay Romer Pinili. Great jab galing kay Mansito. Body shot by Mansito. Body shot and the left hook upstairs kay Mansito. Body shot na naman kay Mansito. Left hook naman ang counter doon ni Romer Pinili. Nakikita nyo, veterano talaga itong sa Eduardo Mansito. Uy! Body shot by Romer Pinili. Left hook by Pinili. Jab downstairs by Mansito. Overhand right miss mula sa veteranong si Mansito. There's a great left hand downstairs mula naman kay Pinili. Great jab, follow by a straight right hand by Mansito. That's a push. Great combinations by Mansito. Oh, great uppercut by Eduardo Mansito. Combinations for him. Sinusubukan bumawi nito ni Pinili. And that will be the end of the first round, and that's an explosive first round between both fighters. But it's a good round. Good start for the veteran, Eduardo Mansito. Second round, bugbugan sa Abra co-main event. Great right hand mula sa veteranong si Mansito. Jab naman ni Pinili. Left hook by Mansito again. Body shots by Eduardo Mansito, pero nakabawi doon si Pinili. No knockdown. Great body shot exchange. And also body shot by Pinili. Jab by Pinili. And that's a miss for Eduardo Mansito. The stiff jab. He clinch. Body shot there by Pinili. Another body shot. And a great right hand from... Oh! Left hook by Romar Pinili. Caught the attention of Mansito. Body shot again by Pinili. He's putting on the pressure against the veteran Mansito. Uppercut by Mansito. Another uppercut from Mansito. But now Pinili having his moment. Oh, right hand from Romar Pinili. Left hook, great exchange. There. This is an explosive fight. Great fight thus far between the veteran and the youth. Eduardo Mansito, the veteran, and the younger fighter is Romer Pinili. And that will be the end of the explosive second round. Again, we want to thank Mayor Eduarte for bringing and promoting this fight here in Bangued, Abra. This is a birthday offering to Congressman JB Bernos. Entering now the third round. Kakasimula pa lang, nagpapaputok agad ang mga suntok itong dalawang fighter. Jab from Romer Pinili. Another jab for him. Body shots there. Oh my! Something's wrong for Eduardo Mansito. And right hand. Great uppercut from the veteran Mansito. Kakadikdikan. Oh, body shot from Pinili. Left hook from Pinili. Great shots. Pero na out of balance to si Romer Pinili. Overhand right by Mansito, pero nasalo agad yon nito ni Pinili. Body shot. Out of balance. Oh, great exchange! Body shot by Pinili. Bumabawi si Mansito naman doon ng body shot. Body shot again from Pinili, trying to bombard the body of Eduardo Mansito. Just a jab from Mansito. Body shot after body shot. Left hook downstairs from Pinili. Right hand from Mansito upstairs. Great exchange. Nice job from Pinili. And that will be the end of the third round. Another exciting one. Every round is an explosive round. Dahil parehas itong si Romer Pinili at Eduardo Mansito, parehas may knockout power. So better to watch out ito mga paparating na round. That's just the end of the third round. And this is an 8-rounder fight. So let's see kung ano mangyayari. Ang catman ni Romer Pinili, si Weljon Mendoro. Siya naglalagay ng Vaseline. Isa siya sa corner man dito ni Romer Pinili. And now, round number 4, scheduled for 8 rounds of boxing in the lightweight division. Right hand downstairs by Eduardo Mansito. Another right from Mansito. Kitang-kita natin yung pagiging veterano dito ni Eduardo Mansito, having the 22 wins on his pro career and 19 losses. Pero hindi basta-basta itong si Eduardo Mansito. Is a former WBO Asia Pacific Super Bantamweight Champion. Samantalang ito namang si Romer Pinili ay prospect. So it's a real acid test for him, pero lumaban na abroad itong si Pinili. Great exchange. This is an entertaining one. Body shot from Pinili. A jab again from Romer Pinili. Straight right hand from Eduardo Mansito. Great straight to the body. Oh, great exchange. Right hand from Pinili missed. Eduardo Mansito. Ooh, great hook exchange na naman pa rin sa dalawang boksingero. Kitang-kita na lalakas ng suntok ng dalawang fighter. Now Mansito. Great counter left hook there from Pinili, and the body shot from Romer Pinili. Left hook again from Pinili. And now left hook and an uppercut from Mansito. What a fight. And the left hook downstairs from Pinili. Uppercut again from Mansito. Oh, body shot from Pinili. Great counter from the veteran, and that will be the end of the round. Sa corner ni Mansito, nakita natin kanyang coach from Marcelias Boxing Stable. Round number 5, halfway point ng ating 8-rounder lightweight contest ng co-main event dito sa Bukbugan sa Abra. Seconds out guys. Sino sa tingin nyo ang lamang between Romer Pinili and Eduardo Mansito? Ang veterano ba na si Mansito o ang batang-batang si Romer Pinili? Uppercut from Mansito, pero ngayon kumakapit. Uppercut. Oh, great shot from Eduardo Mansito. Short right hand from Pinili para bumalik si Mansito doon ng kaliwa. Oh, great uppercut again from Eduardo Mansito. Nasusundutan niya lagi ng upper itong si Romer Pinili. Pero ngayon bumalik si Pinili, and uppercut na naman kay Mansito. Pero bumalik na naman ng hook itong si Romer Pinili. Magandang back and forth action itong co-main event natin ngayon. Body shot from Pinili. Great hook from Mansito. Body shot by Pinili, pero bumabalik doon si Mansito. Uppercut from Mansito. Left hook from Pinili. Overhand right miss from Mansito. And ngayon, Pinili naman ang bumabato ng suntok. Right hand miss mula kay Romer. Oh! Sinuntok si Mansito. Ba siya nakaluhod? By the way, that's not a knockdown. Now Pinili is pressuring Mansito right now. Oh, great body shot there from Eduardo Mansito. Great exchange again. Kanina pa round 1 sabayan. Kayanin kaya nila sabayan hanggang round 8. Oh, that's a great left hand to the liver from Pinili and right hand upstairs. Mansito trying to come back with that left hand. And that will be the end of the 5th round. Again, thank you to Mayor Glenn Duarte for bringing the fight here in Bangueda Abra. Now entering the 6th round. Second half of the fight. Round 6 is scheduled for 8. Great exchange again. And there's a warning from the referee. Left hook from Eduardo Mansito. Pinili with the right hand. Just clinch. Great overhand right there from Mansito. Uppercut from Eduardo Mansito again. Another uppercut from Mansito, but there's a great counter from Romer Pinili and the jab from Pinili. Combination sa for Mansito. Right hand. Now Pinili with the left hook. Right hand from Romer Pinili. Left hook miss from Pinili. It's a swing and a miss. That's a big miss there. Uppercut from Mansito. Now again, those combinations of from Romer Pinili. He's trying to attack. Uppercut miss from Pinili. Body shot from Pinili and body shot of Mansito. And there's a break. Oh, great exchange. Right hand from Pinili. Left hook. Now right hand agad for Pinili. Last 10 seconds. Great one from Mansito. Pinili with the right hand to end that round. Round number 7. Between Romer Pinili and Eduardo Mansito. Pumupuntos ngayon itong si Mansito. And a great body shot there from Pinili. There's a wrestling right there. Medyo napatulak doon. Tatulak doon itong si Mansito. Pero tingnan natin. Great left hook from Pinili and a jab from Pinili. Uppercut from Mansito. With exchange of left hands. Great combinations from Mansito. Mapunto siya doon. Jab from Pinili and overhand right from Mansito. Sumala doon yung kaliwa ni Pinili. Straight. Kumonekta doon kay Mansito. Body shot. This is just round 7, guys. This is an 8-rounder fight. Parehas matibay itong si Mansito at itong si Pinili. Great combinations mula sa veteranong si Mansito. Last 10 seconds. Left hand from Pinili and now right hand. Right hand again. And that will be the end of the 7th round. So sa tingin nyo, sino ang lamang between Romer Pinili and Eduardo Mansito? Ang veterano ba? O ang bata na si Pinili? Magandang laban parehas. Parehas may lakas, parehas matibay. Last and final round, round 8.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is round number 8, your last and final round.
Touch gloves. Here we go. Last and final round. Great shot from Mansito. Pero ngayon ito si Pinili trying to move forward. That's an inside fighting. Tarin out ang referee dahil naka-clinch. Body shots, exchange. Great exchange between these two fighters here at the 8th round. Alam nila na kailangan nila parehas ang round na to dahil napakaganda ng laban nila. Hindi natin alam kung sino bang ahead sa official judges scorecard. So ngayon si Pinili umaatake. Pero si Mansito bumabalik. There's a clinch from Eduardo Mansito. Uppercut yun ni Pinili. Great right hand from Romer Pinili this time. Trying to attack the body of Mansito now. Pinili. Oh! Down goes Mansito. The referee ruled dito sa knockdown. Mansito is quite upset with that decision of the referee. Pero you got to obey the ruling. You need to accept the ruling of the referee. Great right hander from Pinili. Now there's a warning now because of pushing. Oh, great exchange. And now Pinili is trying to attack. Pero kikita nyo yung pagiging veterano doon ni Eduardo Mansito. Left hand from Mansito. Last 10 seconds. Ito, literal na bugbugan between Eduardo Mansito and Romer Pinili. And that will be the end of the bout. Sino sa tingin nyo ang nanalo? Nakascore ng knockdown si Romer Pinili sa 8th and final round. Pero maganda ang palitan ni Mansito at ni Pinili noong mga naunang rounds. So baka maging crucial yon para sa scorecard sa mga hurado, yung knockdown. Pero titingnan natin kung sapat ba ang nagawa ng pareha sa fighter upang makuha ang boto ng mga hurado. Now, a sign of sportsmanship between Pinili and Mansito. So, ngayong gabi, tatlo na ang panalo ng Kibors Boxing Stable. So, ngayon, mag 4-0 kaya sila dito sa fight card na to. Titingnan natin yan. We are just waiting for the official judges scorecard. And now, the veteran ring announcer have the judges tallies. Tingnan natin ngayon. Magandang palitan ng dalawa.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 8 rounds of boxing, we go to the scorecards. Here goes scores about 76, 75.
Close.
Our scores about 76, 75. Our Peter Bozo scores about 78, 73. All to the winner by unanimous decision, Romer Pinili.
That knockdown is a big factor para makuha ni Romer Pinili ang panalo dito sa bugbugan sa Abra. Although also a great performance for the veteran Eduardo Mansito. So kudos to him for giving a great fight. Pero malaking epekto yung knockdown na yon.